Yo, Babylon burning, truth getting buried. Them think we soft, now we never worried. Rebel heart, fire in our veins. Them push we down, but we rise again. Look on the system built for control. Them sell out the youth, them poison the soul. Talk about peace, but feed off war. While poor man struggle, rich man swore. Politician chat, but never act. Big corporations counting stacks. People starving, mothers cry. Them take, them kill, them justify. I don't want peace, I want problems. Turn up the heat, burn down the nonsense. Stand up strong, we fight till the end. Never bow down, never pretend. I don't want peace, I want war. Tear down the chains, break down the door. Babylon shake when we rise and roar. This a real thing, not metaphor. Them say progress, but who get rich? The same old man, them run the script. Take control, AI spy. Freedom fade while them sell we lie. Them poison the food, pollute the air. Kill the truth, but we still there. Me nah sleep, me see the plan. Revolution start, take back the land. Riot in a street, flames get high. No justice, no peace, well Babylon cry. Thief them steal, make the people bleed. Now we kick down gate, fi take back we seed. I don't want peace, I want problems. Turn up the heat, burn down the nonsense. Stand up strong, we fight till the end. Never bow down, never pretend. I don't want peace, I want war. Tear down the chains, break down the door. Babylon shake when we rise and roar. This a real thing, not metaphor. Yo, no more games, no more lies. This the time, watch Babylon fry. We not beg, we not kneel. The real warriors rise for the battlefield.